I am super excited to bring these Shopify dashboards to you. Those dashboards are available to install for everyone for free, and they offer a lot of useful analysis. You've got your typical sales analysis, but also customer lifetime value. You've got insights for how many customers return, how many orders they typically place with you. You've got the customer cohort analysis for your LTV. For your items, you've got analysis on items that are commonly purchased together. You also got the reorder rate for your items and average number of days to reorder. So there are so many insights here, and all of them are available for you to explore for free. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate individual dashboards that we offer and how to use this analysis to benefit your business, but also how to install this template for you. So I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video to download this template as well, so you can install it for your organization. So let's start with the first tab, which is basically your sales analysis. So you've got insights for your total gross sales, discounts, shipping charges, and sales taxes. So it's basically your gross sales minus all the direct expenses for delivering this order to your customer. On the line chart, you can select the metrics that you want to see. If you want to see customers, you can select that. If you want to see your average order value, for example, here you can see how it's changing month over month. If you want to see your insights per week, you just go here and basically select per week. Here you've got insights for the states that buy your products. If you hover to the state, you can see the individual gross sales. If you click here, you basically filter the rest of your dashboards for the state that you select. Now here you've got item level analysis, basically sales after discounts and number of units sold. But you can also expand this and see the individual variants of your product. This way you can see which colors, which sizes are most popular for your clothing brand, for example. Or if you have a different kind of e-commerce brand, you can see other variations here. Finally, the analysis on discount codes tells you how many orders were placed with a certain discount code within the period that you select, and the total amount of discounts that you basically gave to your customers. Now, if we move to the second tab, you can basically analyze your data by hour of the day and by weekday on this tab. So you can see which days are more popular for shopping with you. So in this case, it's Monday and Friday. But if we switch from gross sales to customers, you will be able to see how many customers shop with you each day. And again, you can see Monday and Friday are the most popular. Now, if we select AOV, this is the, you can see on which days people spend more money with you on average per person. You can see the same insights by hour. So here you can see that most of your sales basically happen within the usual business hours, then they gradually decline after 4 p.m. So on this table you can see the breakdown by hour of the day and by weekday. So again, the darker color represents the hours and the days where those metrics are higher. So as you can see, most of your sales basically happen within this time period. So that's how you use the second tab. There is a lot of really useful analysis on the customers tab. Here, basically what you can see is the breakdown for new and returning customers. So the new customers are the customers that place their first order in this time period that you select. And returning customers are the customers who placed their first order before the selected period. So if I select the entire date range, obviously all customers are new and no customers are returning. But if I select just this time range, then you've got some returning customers as well. On these two columns, you can compare the average order value for your returning customers versus new customers. You can also see the number of orders that your customers typically place with you. So as you can see, 47,000 customers only place one order. But then 15,000 customers place 2 orders, 6,000 customers place 3 orders with you, and etc. So that's basically how you analyze this graph. And on average, a customer places 1.67 orders with you. Now, when customers want to reorder, they essentially, you need to know how many days they typically wait before placing another order with you. So customers typically wait 112 days between the first and the second order. Then they wait 91 days between the second and the third order, and etc. etc. So you can basically use this information to inform your retargeting campaigns, so you will know when best to reach out to your customers. Now here we've got the returning customers by month. So we are doing this analysis on the monthly basis. So basically this is the new customers are the customers that you got. For example, if we look at the month of March, the new customers are the customers that completed their first purchase in March, and returning customers are customers who completed their first purchase before that. So what you can see here is basically 31% of your customers in March completed their purchase, their first purchase in the month of March. Now, the average lifetime value for the customers can be seen here. So in the first purchase of your customers is basically $169, and then after 1 year, their lifetime value grows to $272. So after 2 years, their lifetime value on average is $291, and then it doesn't change much for the next couple of years. Here you can see where your customers with highest customer LTV usually come from, so which states they're coming from, and you can basically analyze which states give you the lifetime value which is above average. So for example, here we can see that South Dakota or Texas, for example. Texas has quite a lot of customers, and their lifetime value is more than your average of 291. So this basically tells you that Texas is a good market for you to target. So you can use that information to inform your targeting decisions for your marketing campaigns. Now, the cohort analysis basically segments your customers based on their first month of purchase. So the customers who purchased in July 2024, for example, in that month, their lifetime value was $153. And then you can see how the average lifetime value grows month after month. You essentially analyze how effectively you grow the average customer lifetime value over their lifespan. it works the same way for other months. So if we take February, in the first month, the lifetime value is 180, and then you can see that it grows slightly every month. After 9 months, it almost doubles. This is how you use the Customers tab. The Items tab is also really interesting. So the table on the bottom right gives you insights on what products are commonly purchased together. So you can see that this product is often purchased with this. So you can maybe offer a bundle for your customers, or you can use this information for upsell opportunities on your website. So when customers are browsing this product, for example, you can give them a recommendation to buy this product at the same time. So this is how you use this analysis. Now, you've also got insights for every product, how many customers bought this product, and then how many customers ordered it again, and after how many days they placed another order for the same product. You can again use this information for targeted marketing campaigns for your clients to encourage them to buy the same product after, let's say, 66 days for this product. And you've also got insights on gross sales, profit margin, and profit per product. Later on, we're planning to add some more columns here, which will analyze returns per product. So you will basically know what are the problematic products that result in a large amount of returns. You can also press on the product name and you can see the monthly trends for this product. So you can see how many times this product was ordered. And you can basically use this information to understand whether the sales of this product are going up month over month or they're going down. That's how you use the line chart. This template is available to download for free. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video for downloading this template. In order to connect your Shopify data to it, you basically need to use the VidCorp Shopify connector. So I'm going to record another video on how to connect your Shopify data to Power BI using our connector. For now, please reach out to us via the form that I'm going to leave at the end of this video, and we will do the installation of this Shopify connector for you. But within about couple of weeks, we are planning to give you an automated way where you can log into the portal, authenticate to Shopify, and basically connect your data so you can connect it to this template. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about this template, or if you want me to explain it to you in more detail, then please leave a comment under this video, and I will be sure to reply. Thank you.